Welcome to Top Dollar Tomahawks, the ultimate steak experience. If you've got a taste for the finer things in life, especially when it comes to your palate, you're in the right place. Today I'm taking you through a journey of the most luxurious tomahawk steaks in the world. Let's start at the beginning. What makes a tomahawk steak stand out? Well, it's not just a meal, it's a statement. With its long, Frenched rib bone and marbled flesh, it's as visually stunning as it is delicious. But it's the preparation that elevates it to a luxury level. First off, sourcing. The best tomahawk steaks come from cattle that have been treated like royalty themselves. We're talking grass-fed, free-range, and often from specific regions known for their beef quality, like Kobe in Japan or the Pampas in Argentina. The attention to detail in feeding and care ensures a flavor that's rich, succulent, and utterly unforgettable. Preparation is an art. The perfect tomahawk is seasoned minimally. Think high-quality sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance, not mask, the natural flavors. It's all about respecting the integrity of the meat. Now let's talk cooking. The goal? To achieve a crusty, caramelized exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. This is usually done through a combination of high-heat searing and slow, gentle roasting. Imagine this steak sizzling as it cooks to perfection, the aromas filling your kitchen, promising a bite that's nothing short of spectacular. And when it comes to plating, simplicity reigns supreme. A slice of this magnificent steak often needs little more than a drizzle of high-quality olive oil or a dab of artisan butter to shine. It's not just food, it's an experience, a luxurious journey you take with each bite. In conclusion, a top-dollar tomahawk is more than just a steak. It's a culinary masterpiece, crafted with care, cooked to perfection, and enjoyed in a way that engages all senses. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a discerning foodie, understanding and appreciating the nuances of a luxury tomahawk steak can transform your dining experience. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful adventure. Until next time, keep indulging in the luxurious side of life.